What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today we have our 2022 Super Duty, and we have a new product for you guys to check out for our fuel door. Now, this is a quick and easy one, but I think it's worth a watch for you guys because, well, we're gonna go have a look. I'm gonna kind of show you guys why you might need something like this. All right, so this is our factory fuel door. We open it up. We open our diesel, not our DEF, to fill up our trucks. Then, usually what we'll do is we'll hang the little tail here on this little hook here from the factory. And that's generally how you fill up your tank. If you don't hook it on the hook, it definitely will hit the paint. And even on the hook, it technically can hit the truck as well. Now, over the life of the truck, over 300,000 plus miles, this just doing a little bang, little tap into the paint can probably do some damage over time. So, a company called Issyauto sent me this, which goes right onto our factory fuel door. So you can see right here, these pieces right here fit right into these cutouts here on our factory fuel door. It sits right in here like that. And then we have some two-sided tape. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep this surface. We're gonna set this in place, give it some pressure until it nicely adheres to our factory fuel door. And we're gonna try out how well this cap will now fit into the new cup. So what I use when I put 3M tape on anything is this Sika Activator 205, and you can get this stuff online, but it's not required. You can use isopropyl, just make sure there's no oils or anything on there. But this stuff actually makes the tape adhere very, very well. So I'm gonna put a little bit on a rag, and then we're gonna apply that to our surface. Some on there. We're gonna let that dry for a few minutes, and I'm actually gonna put some on the two-sided tape as well. Get the protective coating off. You can put that right onto our two-sided tape. We'll give that a few minutes to dry, and we're ready to adhere. All right, now our activator is dried. Took about maybe 3 minutes or so. We're just gonna get into our locating area here. Fits in there nicely. Apply some pressure to our two-sided tape. Hold that down for 30 seconds or so until you got some nice pressure on here. Make sure that everything is nicely adhered. That should pretty much do it. Now, when we go to fill up our diesel, you just set that guy right in there, which I just think is so much easier. I mean, now it's never gonna hit your paint. It's just gonna sit right there. Check it for clearance, make sure we're good to go. It's just like a factory finish. And I mean, I'm sure Ford would put these on here if they wanted to pay for the extra bit of plastic, but they don't, so it is available from Issyauto. I will have a link in the description for this product. It's just one of those nice, easy additions to your truck that just makes things a whole lot nicer when you're fueling up. It is always something of a concern to me when I do take that cap off, whether it's gonna hit the paint or whatever, and it's just nice to have that little bit of an addition where we can just set it in there and call it good. So there it is, everybody, just our little quick addition to the Super Duty, which I honestly think is gonna be a very nice thing to have just when you're fueling up. Now you don't have to worry about that cap banging into the side of your truck. Super easy install, took a couple of minutes, and you're good to go. So if you guys wanna grab one of those, definitely check the link in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep that hammer down.